Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce the PBL 311 team. Uh, Here we will present the results of our PBL project titled Well Architect CM Implementation SOC 11. Our respect our respect project manager Mr. Nur Cahyono Kusardianto, SSI, MT, MSc. Uh, permit to us uh, Permit us to introduce the members of the PBL 311 team. Zaidan Zaki Rifki, Kusuma Diputra, Marionda Bintang, Hardiansyah, Salahuddin, and the last Irvin Valdano. The next slide will be explained by Irvin.
Well, architecture implementation such plus. ASO is a cartelized hub responsible for monitoring, detecting, responding to, and managing cybersecurity threats within an organization. Such teams work to protect the organization, its infrastructure, and data by using various security tools and process. Next, we will be present by Hardiansyah.
Well, Architect CM Implementation SOC 11, Security Information and Event Management. CM is a security solution that collects, analyzes, and correlates data from various sources such as network device, server, and application to detect and respond to potential security threats in real time.
Okay, the following is the topology of our project design. There we use one router. Here we as a MikroTik and also as a firewall, and several server are a web server, CM server for and database server. For our network configuration, here we use VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 to divide the network, and for IP address is 192.168.1/24 for a web server, and IP address for SIEM server is 192.25 and dot 140. We use Apache for the web server and MySQL for the database. We ask several platforms for the same server such as Wazoo, Grylog, and Grafana. Well, for the next slide, we will explain by Marionda.
Okay, here are the result of our network configuration. There is Okay, here are the result of our network configuration. There is a bridge interface and VLAN configuration. On the bridge interface, of course, we have configured a bridge interface to connect the local network to the internet. This interface, to connect the local network to the internet, this interface acts as the main link between the internal network and the outside world, ensuring smooth connectivity. Next slide, please. Then in VLAN configuration, we have create two VLAN, namely VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. On VLAN 10, we use the IP address 192.168.10.0/24 and functions as a web server. This configuration ensures that the web services running in this network are properly isolated, providing optimal performance and security. And on VLAN 20, we use the IP address 192.168.25.0/24, which is designed as a CM server. With this setup, the CM system can monitor network activity spatially, without interface from other VLAN. With these settings, we ensure that each VLAN is segmented according to its function, supporting both network efficiency and security. Next slide will present by Kusuma Diputra.
We also make VPN for our web to create virtual network and so that the web can be accessed using domain name. This is how our website looks. Here we use the Python programming language, Django framework, and Apache as server. Will be next presentation by Irvin.
Well, here is the account registration feature is the user or customer does not have an account. To create an account here, use a real email to be present the authentication code so that the user gets security in creating an account. Next slide, please. The second feature is the login feature, where after we create an account, we can carry out buying, selling, or transaction activities on your e-commerce web. Next present will by Ardiansyah.
Here we have a category feature that make it easier for seller or buyers to find the item they want, and seller and can add category of item they want to sell. Next slide. For our database here, we use MySQL to make it easier to create a database. We install phpMyAdmin server on our database server. This picture log more or less like this is our flow in creating a database. Next slide. Here we create an e-commerce DB database to store our website information, starting from storing user ID, account, hour, transaction, history. Okay, the next slide will be continued by Salahuddin.
For CM, we use a platform like Wazoo. We install Wazoo, which is available on the official Wazoo documentation web. We make file bit configuration and integration configuration to Greylog and Grafana. Next slide. This is the display of Greylog. Greylog function to receive attack data log obtained from our website. So we can conduct attack analysis using this Greylog. Next slide. This is how Grafana looks. The three tools above have been integrated, and the function of Grafana is to visualize data, so that is easier for user to analyze problems with the data received. Next present will be by Zaidan.
Okay, for the next, we try to do an attack test of proof whether the CM we made is running as expected. Here we try to do an attack test on our website with an XSS attack. We input a script in the search section to do an attack, and the results will be in the next slide. Okay, this is the result of the attack test we have done in the previous slide. The Grylog can receive the XSS attack log that has been done in the previous slide. Here shows that an attack has just occurred with an XSS attack on our website. Good for the diagram. It also can receive logs from the attacks we have carried out. The visualization indicates one, which means there was one attack log received. These following are the results of the XSS attack test data. Will be next slide present by Kusuma Putra.
Kunci pintunya dulu. Here we use the logbook to sequence the progress of PBL achievement that we have done to currently reach a presentation of 85%. Obstacles in project work. Limited access lab and PC. Because privacy device, the specification did not always support the team needs. 2. There is still a lack of basic understanding, which is why it takes a long time to implement it. 3. Lack of team communication with member PBL 311 and time management to work together with team. Next slide. Action and plan for the next stage. 1. SSL/TLS implementation for all connection. 2. Create rules and alerts that meet security specification requirements. 3. Strengthening the firewall on the router, making sending system to another platform like Telegram. Okay, next will be by Irvin.
Next division, Zaidan Zaki Al Rifki is working same server system operating. Salahuddin Alayubi same server system operasi documentation. Marionda Bintang Tenggara web server. Kusuma Putra web server database. Hardiansyah web server. Irvin Valdano Tabang same server system. Next then read by Zaidan.
Okay, that's all from our presentation today. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.